We turn now to the court hearings in New York City in the murder case against Luigi Mangione.
It was a year ago tomorrow that Mangione was arrested at a McDonald's in Pennsylvania and charged in the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson.
Lilia Luciano reports on the evidence that Mangione's lawyers are fighting to exclude from his trial.
Newly released surveillance video shows what prosecutors say was a planned murder of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson, who was gunned down outside a Midtown Manhattan hotel last December.
I have a customer here that some other customers were suspicious of, that he looked like the CEO shooter.
Today in court, Altoona police officer Christy Wasser told the court that she was one of the officers that started searching Mangione's backpack only after he was under arrest. Wasser said she searched the bag while still at McDonald's to make sure there is no bomb. In it, she said she found a loaded gun magazine wrapped in underwear. Moments later, an officer is heard saying, "It's effing him. 100% it's effing him." One officer asks whether they need a search warrant. A superior answers, "We don't need it." Mangione's defense attorneys are trying to bar some of that critical evidence from a jury trial, arguing officers illegally seized those items without a search warrant.
If the police officers legitimately and in good faith believe that there's a substantial risk to themselves or the general public, they have every right, every constitutional right to go into that backpack and conduct a warrantless search.
So worrying about a bomb being in the backpack, that applies?
Absolutely.
Later, at the police station, inside his backpack, police say they found a 3D printed ghost gun, a silencer, writings about a plot, a hand-drawn map of Pittsburgh, and a to-do list with the words survival kit. And today, during cross-examination, Mangione's defense raised questions about the chain of custody of the evidence and about the whole way that the search was handled. Luigi Mangione has pleaded not guilty to all charges. That includes murder at the federal and state level.